Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's currently Monday after work. I just got home and I didn't make a video for you guys this weekend, so I'm sorry that I'm just catching back up with you guys right now. This weekend we actually went through and recoated the whole floor of the shop with a primer epoxy, did sparkles on it, and then did or flakes, sparkles, and then did a clear finish over top of it, so it looks freaking awesome. I can't wait to start getting it organized in here. I've got all my stuff moved over on this side. Huge thanks to Mason and Bailey for helping me get this knocked out over here, guys. It looks amazing, and I can't wait to pull the tape off around everything. Well, this is really the only thing I taped off, and then just kind of lay everything back out how it goes. But for right now, we're gonna head over to Dan's and we're gonna pick up some new wheels for the truck. These just aren't cutting it anymore. We're gonna get some bigger wheels for it. So I'm gonna fire this thing up and we will head over there and show you guys what we're gonna put on this thing. I'm gonna have to put batteries in this thing soon. Pretty much barely starts at this point. Oh, she's cold today. She is cold. All right guys, we just got the wheels put on the truck. Let me tell you, it drives 10 times worse. These things on here. Yeah, it's pretty crappy, but we're gonna get pulled over up here so you guys can actually check it out. So just a second and let you check it out. It's not that it drives rough, it rides fine. It just, the wheel wants to follow the road. So maybe we'll have to do some steering upgrades to kind of help with that, but the wheel just really wants to follow the road like a lot. But I can turn all the way. We're not revving super bad or anything. Let's hop out real quick and let you guys check it out. The truck is dirty, so excuse me on that. .22 by 14s. She's looking fat. I mean, it's ridiculous, really, like half the tire sticking out. Also got, I don't even want to ruin it for you guys, but spoiler alert, we got some badass tires to go with them. These are Venom 33 by 1450. These are gonna look sick on here. These things are like brand new. Look at those. But we're just rolling on those till we can get them switched out. All right guys, we just got back to the house now. I'm about to spray the truck off. It's a nasty rainy day out, pretty crappy out, but I do want to get the truck sprayed off because it is absolutely covered in mud. My pressure washer is supposed to be priming up, although it does sound like it's about to blow up. Hopefully that stops. You guys can see I just kind of wanted to get her sprayed off a little bit. It is currently raining, so obviously it's pretty dumb of me to wash it in the rain, but I just want to get sprayed off. Just gonna give you guys a little better representation of how it looks. It has some serious stance. It is sitting wide. All the Instagram hashtags incoming, but she really does look good, guys, and I can't wait. Tomorrow I'm gonna get these new tires put on, get these mounted. Look at my hand compared to that. I mean, it is a massive tire, 33 by 1450. So we'll get those put on. If any of you guys are local in the area and you want these proxies, they will be for sale. They're in pretty good shape, but I'm gonna pull my razor around, give it a good wash. It's been sitting outside for a couple days just because I've been doing the floor, so I need to get it washed up, and I want to show you guys the sweet little foam cannon deal I got. All right, guys, I've been washing for like 2 hours, it seems like, trying to get this thing cleaned up. I didn't realize how dirty it was, but I wanted to show you this little attachment that came with this $100 Craftsman pressure washer I got at Menards. Check this out. Look at that. Foam cannon, baby. Just soap in all the areas. Just thought that was kind of cool. I'd throw that in there. I didn't expect something for $100 to come with this little foam cannon. They're like $30 just to buy separate, but it came with the pressure washer. All right, guys, I got the razor washed up and pulled in here and already left tracks all over the fresh floor, but I also got rid of all this crap that was over here in this corner and painted it. Got me a workout machine. I got this area over here just cleaned up. And we moved all that stuff to my brother, so it's not like we don't have the stuff, it's just in a better place. It really was just taking up a lot of space over here. Just kind of show you guys around so you can see what we're going to be dealing with the new paint on the floor. Looks awesome. I can actually pull this up now. I didn't get right up to it, but that can be pulled up. Stick it right here for now. Too lazy to walk to the trash can. Pull this one up. It makes it so much brighter in here. It's going to be so much easier to see what we're doing, what we got going on. As far as just, yeah, it's just so much easier to see what we're doing, what we got going on, and I mean, just the lighting, it helps. The lighting is like the main thing, and it's I was really just tired of the dust. Concrete naturally breaks down and just constantly makes dust, so this right here will just kind of seal it up. And we also got a new heater for this winter, so we're not having to run the salamander heater, and you guys have to listen to that the whole time in the videos. We got a new heater, just got to get her plumbed in to the rest of the liquid propane. I do have a vent right there off my house furnace, just shooting out here to kind of keep it a little warmer in the mornings, but it is starting to get cold. We painted all the way over here, guys, all the way up there. Looks freaking awesome. I just have so much stuff. Don't really count on any other videos this week unless you guys literally just want to watch me organize stuff like all this. I really want to find permanent places for everything, clean stuff up. I mean, everything just has a place where it needs to be, and if it doesn't, then I need to get rid of it. So also, we'll be doing a transmission fluid change in the white truck coming up soon. We got some royal purple there. A little sneak peek. We'll be doing a fluid change on that. So yeah. All right, without further ado, guys, that is going to wrap up the end of this short little video. I know it's kind of boring and really just me putting wheels on, but tomorrow I'm going to take the truck to the tire store and I'm going to get those new 14.5-inch wide tires mounted on those wheels. It's going to look freaking sick. I'm so excited. It is raining though. I kind of feel bad. They're going to be full of water. The tire guys are going to be upset. They're going to have to sit there and clean all the water out, but I'm not going to pull the truck in here onto the floor yet because it's just not sealed. I don't really feel like unloading them and then unloading them early in the morning. So yeah, that's just the way that it goes. I'm going to go inside and edit this for you guys. Just a quick little update. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you on the next one.